Prime has a unique approach to prefabrication. We're very systematic in our approach and very strategic. Our pursuit is to fabricate based on scope. We have an amazing capacity to capture project scope. That drives all decision-making downstream. So there's no guessing, there's forecasting, there's projecting, there's execution.
Prefab can just accelerate the schedule, limit our footprint on site, limit our waste on site, and help make the predictable manpower curve beneficial to us as well as the GC.
Construction's inherently chaotic. And so what we've tried to do is develop a procedure from start to finish where we can reduce the amount of chaos that we're exposed to. If we take it into our prefab area, we can control the chaos. And we can do it in a way where we can have consistent results. And that's why prefab is so important to our business.
So virtual design, or VCS, plays a crucial role in prefabrication. As they're going through the BIM process and coordinating a building in 3D, they're placing the elements that we know that we want to install, the way that we know we want to install it, and the pieces that we can fabricate easily reveal themselves, and then they come out as a schedule to the fabrication team.
The correlation between VCS and prefab is really, it's the nuts and bolts of building a project. VCS allows us to figure out what needs to be built and allow prefabrication to be precise and exact, and as well as packaged in such a way that allows on-time deliveries and allowing jobs to be built area by area instead of everything showing up at once.
Within the last year or so, we've been starting to do wire pulls in prefab, and it's really cool because you can order what you need on one roll and it comes out to the site in a bin. It fits easily through doorways. You just pull it into the pipe, just one shot. You don't need to set up multiple wire carts, which takes up a ton of footprint. It's really facilitated things a lot.
One of Prime's advantages comes from hiring electricians from the field to be in the virtual construction services department, where they're learning the tool to do the work virtually that they were doing physically in the field prior.
Other contractors utilize VCS or VDC in many, many ways. What makes Prime different is we utilize electricians with field experience to actually manage and model our projects, along with BIM technicians who are more Revit savvy, but we really do try to bring the field's knowledge in to our department.
Creating the leanest possible installation. That's really the objective here, is the leanest, safest possible installation piece, the fewest moving parts, the fewest steps possible for the team out in the field so they can execute consistently, predictable results.